We spoke about the fact that all my colleagues are on the ground. Let me take that point straight across to my colleague Amandeep. I understand he's joining me from Ambala. Amandeep, very good morning. As far as the driving factors for citizens are concerned, this is a question that I've been putting forth to all of our reporters who are essentially on the ground, because at the end of the day, the change that we've seen probably in 2019 as opposed to 2024, a citizen is the best person to really navigate and see what they've seen or what they haven't perhaps. So what is it like where you are voting? What are citizens saying? What are the factors, the pressing concerns rather? And politically speaking, how strong of a battle is it that our viewers should know?
Well, absolutely. The point is that the fate of Haryana politicians will be decided by 2,76,000 voters in the state of Haryana on all 10 seats. It is a direct fight between BJP and the Congress, and there are certain VVIP seats which are completely in the focus at the national interest also. From Rohtak, Hooda family, Dipinder Hooda is contesting against Arvind Sharma. From Sirsa, Kumari Shelja is contesting against Ashok Tawar. And even the Hisar seat is a multi-corner competition among the Chotala families, just because 3 of the Chotala family members are contesting from different parties as well. Ranjit Singh Chotala from BJP, Naina Chotala from JJP, and Sunaina Chotala from INLD. And in fact, the voters are completely concentrated on the national issues. We spoke to several voters, and in fact, they says that earlier the election was not centralized, but the way the moment Haryana comes too close to the polling, everything has been centralized, and in fact all are concerned about the national issues. Even earlier also the politicians are concentrating on the local issues, just because after Lok Sabha elections, Haryana to witness the Vidhan Sabha polls as well. So politicians and all the candidates are also pressing the local issues. But all of a sudden, when just 5 days before the polling in the state of Haryana on 6th phase, everything has been turned turtle. All the voters are being concentrated on the national issues, and the Prime Minister Modi's rally has been given a great impact here in the state of Haryana as well. And even in 2019, all 10 seats, Lok Sabha seats, has gone to BJP. But this time, Congress is claiming that Haryana would be half to BJP and half to Congress. But BJP is claiming that again Haryana will definitely completely goes to BJP and will contribute all 10 seats for 400 par ka nara. But things are quite complicated. Today, the polling day, and even long queues at the polling stations. The politicians are praying, they are staying at their home, and even we are outside the house residence of former Home Minister of Haryana, Anil Vij, and from shortly he will be leaving from his residence.
You are going to be continuously tracking that for us. I'm going to keep coming back to you, get more on that. But for the moment, we leave it at that. But thank you very much for joining us with the latest. But let's also quickly listen into all the reactions that did come in earlier. Then I'll go across to my colleague Tanmay for more on this.
मैं अपील करूंगा कि इस लोकतंत्र के महापर्व के अंदर हम हिस्सा लें, लोकतंत्र को मजबूत करें, और लोकतंत्र मजबूत होगा तो ये राष्ट्र मजबूत होगा। मोदी जी ने जिस प्रकार से पिछले 10 वर्षों में देश को मजबूत किया है, राष्ट्र को दुनिया के अंदर एक सम्मान बढ़ाने का काम नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने किया है, गरीब का सम्मान बढ़ाने का काम किया है, किसान को सशक्त और मजबूत किया है, युवाओं के अंदर विश्वास बढ़ाने का काम किया है, महिलाओं को सशक्त किया है। मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि ये राष्ट्र हमारा इसी मजबूती से आगे बढ़ता रहे। आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी को मजबूत करें।
कांग्रेस कह रही है कि हरियाणा में हाफ हो जाएगा।
ये पिछले बार भी बोल रहे थे, और पिछले बार तो दोनों बापू बेटा चुनाव लड़ रहे थे, दोनों के 2 साफ कर दिए। अब बेटा चुनाव लड़ रहा, उसको भी साफ कर देगी जनता।
लोगों का बहुत साथ, समर्थन, आशीर्वाद मिल रहा है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि ना सिर्फ रोहतक की सीट, जो कि हम बहुत बड़ी बहुमत से कांग्रेस पार्टी जीतेगी, लेकिन 10 की 10 सीट कांग्रेस गठबंधन हरियाणा में जीतना जा रहा है। मैं समझता हूं कि ये मुद्दों का ही चुनाव है, और ये सही बात है। भाजपा ने तो अपना पूरा प्रयास किया। हर राजनीतिक दल, प्रजातंत्र में अधिकार है सबको। रोहतक लोकसभा क्षेत्र की हम बात करें, आपने देखा होगा कि भाजपा के मौजूदा अध्यक्ष, मौजूदा राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष नड्डा जी, 3 पूर्व राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शाह जी, गडकरी जी, राजनाथ सिंह जी, और 4